Massive transfer to Binance from FTX. Yes, massive transfer. Terra Classic. Remember this coin. So many exchanges have been supporting this coin, and a lot of exchanges also own Terra Classic coin. Now, just recently, over 80 points. That's 80.80 billion Terra Classic coins has been transferred to Binance. And there was also another transfer bringing the total to over 86 billion Terra Classic coin that have been transferred to Binance by FTX. Okay, now this FTX, we are actually controlling over 155 billion Terra Classic coins. Now, due to the financial problem they are having right now, they decided to transfer Terra Classic coins to Binance. And one thing we are yet is to understand how Binance, can really help burn billions of Terra Classic coin. Now, so many people are pumping, several people are sending their coins to Binance. Now, remember we talked about the 1.2% tax bomb. So we really want to help that. To me, I think Terra Classic is going to burn billions if we record high trading volume. Imagine over 86 billion coins of Terra Classic being sent to Binance exchange. So it simply means people have really lost a lot of money. But I think for FTX to choose Binance, they know Binance are the one fully behind. Binance are supporting. With Binance, the coins they transferred is more safer. With Binance, Terra Classic will be difficult for us to see Terra Classic drop. It will be difficult for us to see Terra Classic stop existing. So I think that is one of the major reasons why they choose Binance as an exchange where they will transfer over 86 billion Terra Classic LUNC coins. Well, I believe the best will come. I believe we are yet to see the best, because the best will surely come. Please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.